Good afternoon. You know that dream that I told you about, the beautiful sea and the sand, where you walk on the sand, that the sand was piled and piled and piled, and it seemed like it was debris over the edge of the ocean, the sea? Well, right now, Holy Spirit just brought another um, thing concerning that dream. You see, sand like that means poverty, means lack of money. Is this possible that all that sand, yes, it is going to be a tsunami, right? But you know, it can also be a tsunami of a financial crash. When I dream dreams of sand, and especially like in this dream, where I dream that the sand is just piled and piled miles into the water, into the ocean. Sand like that always, always means the economy, lack of money. Uh, yes, lack of money. So to me, that dream has two interpretations, which is what the Holy Spirit just brought to my attention now. The first interpretation is a tsunami, a water tsunami, okay? And because the sand was debris, dirty, and so much of it piled on, it's also going to mean a tsunami of a financial crisis, okay? Um, yeah, Holy Spirit just brought that up to me right this minute, so I'm gonna bring it up to you and let you know that that dream had two meanings, two interpretations, two types of tsunami: a tsunami of water devastation and a tsunami of a financial crisis. Okay? I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later.